This is the disassembled brake setup for the Nissan Altima 2008. Putting it back together will hopefully be much simpler than taking it off was.
Okay.
So the first step is going to be to replace the rotor. Here is the new rotor. There's your caliper.
Okay. Alright. Put that over there for now.
Now what are you doing here?
Putting brake clean on to get the corrosion prevention compound off of the surface.
All right. A strong scent to that too.
Mm-hmm.
So turns the rotor over.
There's that. Okay. Up comes this. Up comes this. I guess I better take a look. Sure here.
Note all the dust on the ground came off the previous rotor.
Actually come out of the cooling cans. Okay. There's the rotor.
Rotor goes right on.
Now, let's see. No, that won't work. Yeah, that's okay. Now, I've got to do this thing right here.